Welcome back again to my channel. It's an honor to come your way again. In today's video, I share with you this simple noodles recipe. This was easy to put together and trust me, you'll love it. Let's get started. I'll first start by chopping my vegetables. If you are new to the channel, you are most welcome. To my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing for always coming back to watch my video. I say thank you and God bless you all. So please stay tuned. Okay, so this is my vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice, and I'll also add some sausages. This is my Indomie. I'm using 2 pack, and also I will add some eggs into a pot. I have some water. I will add some oil and let it boil for some minutes. And after 10 minutes, I went in with my Indomie, give it a quick stir, and let it be on the fire for some few minutes before taking it off.